Welcome to a regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada's channel into the histories of 1/400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the Western Airlines Douglas DC-10-10 wearing the white fuselage Flying W. This aircraft is powered by 3 General Electric CF6 series high bypass turbofan engines, with each engine able to generate up to 40,000 pounds force or 178 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry up to 380 maximum passengers legally. However, the standard seating in a 2-class layout is around 270 passengers. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 473 knots or 876 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,500 nautical miles or 6,500 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this DC-10 was delivered to Western Airlines on May 18th of 1978. The initial livery was the white fuselage Flying W livery, and the plane was registered as November 909WA. In 1985, the plane transitioned to a silver fuselage Flying W livery, also known as the Bud Light livery. Western Airlines merged and was subsumed by Delta Airlines in 1987. This would begin the second period that DC-10s were operated by Delta Airlines. The aircraft would gain the classic widget livery of the 1980s era Delta. This period of time would be short-lived, however, as American Airlines would lease this aircraft in June of 1988. The aircraft would be painted in a hybrid livery with a white top fuselage and a silver bottom fuselage with the standard American Airlines cheat line along the windows. Later in 1988, the aircraft would be acquired by Danish flag Scanair with a new registration of SE-DHY and the Scanair Sunjet livery from the 1980s. Records show this aircraft was with Sun Country Airlines as well, but we cannot find any photos from this period of time. By 1994, the aircraft would go on to Premiair, a follow-on company from Scanair. This company and this aircraft would be acquired by British-based Air Tours in 1994, with the registration changed to G-TDTW and another new livery, as seen in these photos. The company would change their name and the name and logos on the aircraft to MyTravel in 2002. The end was near when in 2004 the aircraft was acquired by Interlink Airlines based in South Africa. The aircraft was given another new registration of 3D-MRQ. While in South Africa, the aircraft was used sparingly for charter flights. By 2006, the aircraft would go on to Global Aviation for a final scrapping at an unknown time. What you're seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Dragoons version of this aircraft, released in 2001 and 2002. This is the only version of this particular aircraft made by any manufacturer at any scale. If you like what you see, hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We've enjoyed making this video and we hope you've had fun watching it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you and good day.